My video guide is about removing the adware type program called ProduceSelect. ProduceSelect is the adware from the AdLoad family. It attacks Google Chrome, Safari, and other browsers. And if it gets installed into your computer, of course, you need to undertake all the appropriate measures to get rid of it as soon as you can. ProduceSelect adware attacks Mac computers. It may also periodically cause unwanted browser redirections to random websites. So, in case you have found it on your Mac, check your applications, find this application and move it to the trash. I also recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may select your preferred operating system. So use this green download Combo Cleaner button, install it, and start researching this system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.